Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to simply add number list in Google Docs. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so from this particular document right here, I have about key points right here, which is about 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's see how we can sequentially add number automatically to this particular drop down list. And for us to do that, what we need to do is to position our mouse to the first one on the items right here. Then we have to come to the top right there and we simply click on numbered, and automatically it will become effective on our text. We can simply come back here and we change to alphabet or bracket number like so, or we can simply click on here again and we change it to something like this, or better still, we come back here and we change to something like this, letter in caps, or we can make it in a letter or this type of number right here. There are different type formats that right here that you can use simply show. So you can see this is a Roman number right here, the Roman figure, and you can put it in any one of your choice. So you can simply choose this one or so. Everything depends on the kind of format you want to use. Then I'm going to simply go back right here. I will choose this particular format just like so. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to add numbering into your list on Google Docs. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.